Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I took no trades on NQ again, what I was thinking, why I didn't take any trades, and why I didn't really like anything here. So going into the day, right, obviously we had CPI, massive news event, moved about 200 points, pretty casual. When we get a spike in price like this, we usually leave a data high and a data low. These are really good draw liquidities and you should always target these. But today I saw the data low as protected, right? The reason being we had this low inside of a gap, and as we wicked down, we hit it, and that makes it protected. And then we have this low to this high, mark out EQ. So we're reacting out of an hourly gap, out of a sweep and of EQ. So I wouldn't want to see this data low revisited because it's technically protected by price. So this being said, we only had the data high, and this got taken out before market open, right? So you're probably wondering, what are we going to target then? We don't want to see price go lower to this low. We just took out buy side. Well, I'm looking at the daily time frame, right? And I'm trying to look at the most obvious highs and lows, right? Above, we obviously have relative equal highs on the daily time frame, so it makes a lot more sense to go up here in comparison to go lower. And like actually looking at orders, right? We have orders at the highs, right? Multiple highs here. Okay, super obvious. And below we have 2. So like using simple maths, we obviously have way more highs compared to lows. So why would we try and short? And that's what I was thinking today. At open, right, we got a Judah swing lower into, I believe, this low to this high. Yeah, we got like OTE, right? We wicked. And we kind of created this 3-minute gap. And I wanted to see this get closed above, right? And that would have been the long, right? The Judah swing being the manipulation at open into this 15-minute here, and then just a long, right? Targeting the domino highs, I call them, right? It's a domino effect. We take out one high, we go for the rest. Obviously, we didn't end up doing that because price action is bad. But that's what I wanted to see, right? We didn't get that, right? We manipulate down. And I think a lot of people would have lost this because they saw this 1-minute fair value gap get closed above, right? 1-minute IFUG then. And the reason I didn't like this is because when we're really choppy like this and we don't get an inversion like really quickly after the gap gets created, right? See how we like chopped around? We had, I'm not even going to count, probably like over 10-15 candles. When there's like really bad price action like this, even if we get a massive pump, I want to see every time frame close. Go to the 3-minute, we didn't inverse this, right? Because there's no candle closure above the gap. Same thing on the 2-minute. But on the 5-minute, it looks nice, right? But that's why you check every time frame, because you just truly don't know if we're going to go up or down or in circles, especially with this prior price action. This pump here could have just been luck from news or something. 50-point candle. It looks a bit sketch because that's the first 50-point candle we've had in like since open. So there's no guarantee this is actually just telling us, oh, we're going up. It could just be a random manipulation candle, which it obviously was in hindsight. And then this short presented itself. I said I wouldn't want to take shorts, so I didn't take it. Break even, like in this wick here. I mean, I'll put an app probably like here, below this here. And then I would have just targeted data low. But yeah, I mean, I was correct in the sense that we wouldn't go data low. I think everyone was. I don't believe anyone won today. I just don't believe you. Like maybe if you took this short and just go for like 50 points or so, but I don't know. My bias didn't just not play out correctly at all. If you were bearish or bullish, you'd be incorrect because we just chopped. Now, in hindsight, right, like after I've locked myself out, this looks okay. I wouldn't take it though. I'd wait for this 3-minute for the inversion and the change in state of delivery, which is a candle closure above this body. And then I'd just hold for a long time because I think we go to these highs. Hopefully, overnight we chop, then AM session gives us manipulation to the downside, and then we can long to this. Last 2 days of the week, obviously Thursday and Friday, usually give some sort of good price actions. Hopefully we can see that. It's just a matter of when, like when it comes to taking out these highs. Like we are so going to take them out. This price action this week has been so bad, right? Go on the daily time frame. When did the week start? Monday. It's been terrible, right? Even a few days before that, it's not been great. Got to stay patient. I'd sacrifice a few trading days, right, not to take a trade in order to get good ones, because trading's all about patience. So yeah, we're going to continue being patient. But that is it for today's video. No trades for me.